This video is to show you how to block out your calendar in your Google Calendar that is linked to your GoHighLevel calendar. So we also want to have your GoHighLevel calendar open. We're going to go back to the Google Calendar. So say, for example, I'm just going to use this slot here that you from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So you click and drag that's from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and say you're going to put in here not available, and you're going to click on save. You can actually take this, hold it, and you can actually, sorry, don't hold it. You just got to open it and edit it. And then you go to here where it says do not repeat. You can click on repeat, and you can say every weekday, Monday to Friday, for example. Or you can do a custom and say um, repeat on choose your days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, for example. And you can say ends never, or ends on a particular date, or ends after so many occurrences. And then you click on done. So you can repeat every week, you can repeat every day, um, or you can repeat every month, or etc. So this is how you can set your settings to repeat this on your Google Calendar. So for this purpose, I'm going to do the week thing. I'm going to do every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I'm going to say never, that it doesn't ever end. It's going to be every day here, and you're going to click on done, and you're going to click on save, and then you can see that this goes on every weekday, or every Monday to Saturday, actually. All right. And then if you go onto your GoHighLevel diary, and if you refresh that screen, then it also picks up on the GoHighLevel diary as well. Just remember, this will only happen if you are using the calendar that is already linked to GoHighLevel. So you need to make sure that it has to be used with the calendar that links to GoHighLevel. Thanks.